Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 对 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 对 对 team group For example, 队长队长 captain Team leader Now check this sentence. The team leader has assigned tasks to all the groups. The team leader has assigned tasks to all the groups.队长给每个组都分派了任务。队长给每个组都分派了任务 assign tasks 派了任务队长 team leader 给每个组 group 队长给每个组都分派了任务。The team leader has assigned tasks to all the groups. 对 in cursive. Team group 队长 captain team leader The team leader has assigned tasks to all the groups 队长给每个组都分派了任务。对 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 对 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.